Say that one more time, Shawn, please.
Where that grease is coming out.
Yeah.
You got to split.
Oh, so that's
no
what
good.
the issue is.
All the grease leaked out.
Now it has super. Well, to me, if you just got that done, Hector, I think they didn't do something right when they, you know. But how you gonna?
Hey, can you hold this light right on this right here? I want to show them this right here. Look. It's right here. So it's like that clamp's not even tight on there.
Yeah.
Hey, I just wanted to show you that moving inside of there. I might try to tighten this up a little bit.
That's a lot of play.
Because you shouldn't have any play here at all.
No.
And this side don't. This side's pretty tight. But this one here.